Work order software versus whiteboards. Whiteboards are another old standby for maintenance departments. The cost of materials doesn't stretch the budget too far, and it's certainly easy to have all work orders available to view and update in one central place. Like pen and paper, whiteboards have some severe limitations. Keeping records is a huge headache, and it's extremely difficult to extract information from any records you actually manage to get. This makes it almost impossible to create asset histories, prepare for audits, and build work order reports. The work order management process also gets bogged down as operators and technicians need to go to a central location to submit